are the top questions I get about my Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Are there subscription fees? No, there are no subscription fees on the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. They are just the cost of the glasses themselves. Do they have screens? No, these are not AR glasses, so there are no screens on the lenses. So many times when people put these on, they tell me that they can't see anything, and you're not going to see anything. These are smart glasses. They have AI built into them. They have cameras, microphone, a speaker, but they do not yet have screens on the lenses. Although Meta did show off the Orion glasses, which are actually AR glasses, and I made a video about that. I'll link that below if you're interested in learning more about the future of AR glasses or augmented reality glasses. Are they waterproof? No, they are not waterproof. Oh my gosh, do not take them surfing or swimming or whatever. They are not waterproof. Actually, I took mine hiking, and for a while I had them sitting in my shirt like this, and I was sweating during my hike, and it actually messed up the speaker of one side of the glasses. Although in saying that, once they dried out a couple of days, like about a day or so later, the speakers were fine again. But no, don't take them swimming. So if they don't have all these things, then what can the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses do? Well, they can take photos, they can take videos, you can take phone calls on them, you can listen to audiobooks while you walk, you can listen to music. You can also ask it any questions that you would ask Google. So instead of having to like type on your phone or something, you can just ask Ray-Ban Meta's questions. They also translate different things. So if you want to translate a specific text that you see into a different language, like English, they can translate. They can also read things out loud to you, which I've tried. There's like, with the AI built into these glasses, there's actually quite a number of things that you can do. And I'm in the process of asking random questions. Okay, another question is, how long do the batteries last? Do they stop working after the batteries die? Well, first, the batteries last about 3 to 4 hours if you're continuously using them. But obviously, if you're just like taking a photo, listening to music here or there, they can last like days without having to recharge them. It's really how long you're continuously using it. The way you store these glasses is in the glasses case, and actually it charges every time it's in the glasses case. So for me, it's very rare that my glasses ever run out of batteries. They're pretty much always charged. If you are live streaming, if you can broadcast up to 30 minutes of continuous live streaming from these glasses. And yes, you can live stream from these glasses directly to Instagram or Facebook. So what people ask me too is, okay, well, once the batteries die, then can you not use the glasses anymore? And I mean, they're still glasses. These are regular glasses. They're just smart and they have a lot of extra features in them. So when the battery dies, you could just wear them still as regular glasses. For example, I have transition lenses. You can't really tell in this, but if it was sunny, like even with the batteries dead or completely off, these would still transition. Like it's just normal glasses. I also get asked how good the photo quality is, the video quality, and the audio quality. And honestly, it's phenomenal. Like it's really, really good. It's comparable to the quality of your phone. And actually the audio quality on the smart glasses are so good. I often record audio with these. I don't know, something with their noise cancellation on the microphone is really good. Also, the sound quality when you're listening to music is really rich. So it's quite good. Now you might want to know as well, like, you know, there's when you've had other like technology, usually in order to get your photos or videos or whatever it is that you've recorded out of them, it's like a cumbersome process. And you're just like, I just don't even feel like doing it. Like, right, if you had a camera and you have to take out the memory stick and then you can get all your photos and stuff. Actually, with the Ray-Ban Metas, it's super, super easy to get everything out. There's an app on your phone, and as soon as you open your app, it just asks you if you want to auto import all of the photos and videos that were taken. You can just click yes, and they will automatically import to your phone on the app, but also auto sync to your photos library in your phone directly. And if you go to delete these photos from the app, or these photos and videos from the app, it will also ask you if you want to only delete them from the app or if you also want to delete them from your library in case you didn't like them. So actually these are like easiest to get footage, and that makes them really useful because you're more likely to use them if the photos and videos are really easy to get out of them and they look really good. I also get asked if they work with prescription lenses, and yes, you can actually get prescription lenses for these. I have not done it yet, but you have to order them special after you get the glasses. It's a little bit more of a process, but you definitely can. And I know people who have their prescriptions built into their glasses, so they use these things like 24/7. I think one of the most underrated features that people use these for, especially if you're wearing them frequently, is the ability to ask it questions, like how you would ask Google questions. Except the difference here is that these do have cameras built into them, so you don't just ask text-based questions, you can also ask questions based on what you're seeing, which has been really helpful. For example, when I was at the beach and I saw this, I saw a sand dollar in the sand, and I was like, can you look at this and tell me what I'm looking at, essentially? And it would tell you, oh, it's a sand dollar or whatever. Another thing I love doing with these is when I'm out and about and I see a plant that I really like and I want to see if it's something that I want to buy for my house, I can ask it like, hey, can you look at this plant and tell me which plant it is and like how to take care of it, and it'll tell me if it likes direct sunlight or full sunlight or like partial sunlight, etc. And then I know if that plant will be one that is good for my house. Yeah, anyway, there's a ton of things you could do with these glasses because of the AI and the camera on them, but because it's such a new type of medium, like we're not used to asking things picture-based questions, we're used to asking things in text-based questions. It is something that we're experimenting with and other people are experimenting with. So again, if you're interested in seeing a series on crazy questions that I ask these glasses, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Anyway, if after all that you're still interested in the Ray-Ban, I do have a 10% off link below in the description. And if you have any other questions about them that has not been answered in this video, leave them in the comments and I will do my best to answer any questions you have. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.